Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the Nikkei index for Wednesday, May the 26th, 2010. Well, you can see we have a very fast, strong trending downtrend in this market at the moment. Quite a lot of downside momentum with the market making a series of lower highs and lower lows. Today's candle, we have a spinning top type candle which raises some doubt about the continuation of this trend to the downside. The previous day's candle was quite a large red bodied candle. Today is a smaller red bodied candle. Previous day the bears were totally in control and made some very solid net bearish progress between the open and the close. Today not as much, and also we have an inside day which raises doubt about the continuation of the trend. Interestingly, we have, in Japanese candlestick terms, what are called windows that have set up here, and they're gaps in the price action. A window is exactly the same as a gap in our Western technical analysis. So there is potential for this market to trade back up to around these levels, but we do need to watch these potential areas of resistance. Now, just looking at in relation to the Ichimoku charts, we are trading down below the cloud, so we have an overall negative bias, and we're trading a long way down below that area, so the market is looking a little bit overextended. The market's also trading below the Tenkan Sen and the Kijun Sen, which means that we have a negative bias in the short-term and medium-term timeframes, and trading a long way down below there as well. If we look at the Chikou span, that's also bearish, so that's confirming these signals that we've got here at the moment. So quite bearish trading in this market over the last few weeks. Now, if we look at the Tenkan Sen, the green line, which represents the fast-term price action, this is pointing down quite sharply, and that's reflecting the very strong downside momentum in this market, and it's been pointing down sharply on quite a few occasions, and here once again. Also, the Kijun Sen medium term is pointing down sharply, but now it's turned flat. The fact that that turn has turned flat offers the opportunity for the market to bounce back up here and retrace part of this first time frame downswing that the market's been in. Quite often that tends to be an attractor of price action, and that represents equilibrium in the medium term time frame, and the market has been in this fast moving trend and will attempt to find that equilibrium, and it does that by reverting back towards the mean represented by the indicator. If the market does trade up, then as I mentioned before, there are these windows that offer potential resistance to the upside. So there's a window around this region, and certainly another large window between the 10,000 level and about 9,800. The top of that window here is at the same place as the Tenkan Sen, which is at 991 roughly, and that will offer resistance as well. So the market will need to do a lot of work to trade up through there. If the market does trade up through there, there are a few minor swing lows, and where these candles had shadows on the bottom where the buyers came in and tried to buy the market back, they had previously subsequently failed, but they still may offer resistance on the way up. And certainly at the Kijun Sen, that will offer resistance to around 10,322, and then all the way up to the top of the cloud, or the bottom of the cloud, around 10,600. So we have quite a negative market, but there is potential for the market to retrace, but certainly a lot of hurdles for this market to trade up through before we do have any substantial retracement of this first time frame downswing.